Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Whiteboard Online. We are back with another concept and it is very important from CTET point of view, and the topic is cognition. So what is cognition? Cognition is a term referring to the mental process involved in gaining knowledge and comprehension. These processes include thinking, knowing, remembering, judging and problem solving. These are higher level functions of the brain and encompass language, imagination, perception and planning. Now, here are the components of cognition. So first one is perception. So what is perception? Perception is a cognitive perception allows us to organize and understand the world through stimuli that we receive from our different senses like sight, hearing, taste, smell and touch. Next is attention. Attention is a cognitive process that allows us to concentrate on a stimuli or activity in order to process it more thoroughly later. Attention is a fundamental cognitive function for the understanding of daily situation. Next is memory. Memory is the cognitive function that allows us to code, store, recover information from the past. Memory is a basic process for learning as it allows us to create a sense of identity. Next is thought. Thought is a fundamental to all cognitive processes. It allows us to integrate all the information that we have received and establish relationships between events and knowledge. Next is language. Language is the ability to express our thought and feelings through the spoken and the written word. Language and thought are developed together and are closely related, and they mutually influence each other. Next is learning. Learning is the cognitive process that we use to incorporate new information into our prior knowledge. Learning includes things as diverse as behaviors or habits and knowledge that we learn through socialization. Now we will discuss about the stages that are given by the Jean Piaget. 4 cognitive stages during childhood development. Cognition develops as given below. First is sensory motor stage that starts from the birth to about 2 years. During this stage, children learn about the world through their senses and the manipulation of objects. In this period, intelligence is demonstrated through motor activity without the use of symbols. Next is pre-operational, that is from 2 to 7 years. During this stage, children develop memory and imagination. They are also able to understand things symbolically and to understand the ideas of past and future. In this period, intelligence is demonstrated through the use of symbols, languages use and memory and imagination are developed. But thinking is done in non-logical, non-reversible manner. Egocentric thinking predominates. Now the next one is concrete operational stage, that is from 7 years to 11 years. During this stage, children become more aware of external events as well as feelings other than their own. They become less egocentric and begin to understand that not everyone shares their thoughts, beliefs or feelings. In this stage, characterized by 7 types of conservation, that is number, length, liquid, mass, weight, area and volume. Intelligence is demonstrated through logical and systematic manipulation of symbols related to concrete objects. Operational thinking, mental actions that are reversible develops. Egocentric through thought diminishes. Now the last one is formal operation, that is from 11 years and more. During this stage, children are able to use logic to solve problems and they view the world around them and plan for the future. In this stage, intelligence is demonstrated through the logical use of symbols related to abstract concepts. Early in this period, there is a return to egocentric thought. Only 35% of high school graduates in industrialized countries obtain formal operations. Many of these do not think formally and even during adulthood. So that's all for the topic cognition, and it is very important for the CTET examination that is to be conducted in the next month, that is August. So we will bring more such concepts which are helpful for all of you from the CTET exam point of view. So stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you like this video, and let me know what other topics you are facing problem, and I'll try to bring more such videos. Thank you. Keep sharing, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe to Whiteboard Online. Thank you so much.